Do you know in English speaking, you can use whatcha instead of what are you, what do you? Here are some examples for you to practice. Meaning one, whatcha, and what are you? Instead of what are you doing? You say what you doing. Instead of what are you looking at? You say what you looking at instead of what are you talking about? You say what you talking about. Instead of what are you eating for lunch? You say what you eating for lunch. Instead of what are you waiting for? You say what you waiting for, meaning to whatcha and what do you. Instead of what do you think? You say what you think. Instead of what do you want? You say what you want. Instead of what do you mean? You say what you mean. Instead of what do you need to finish this? You say what you need to finish this. Instead of what do you know about this? You say what you know about this. Remember, don't be afraid to use them. The more you practice, the more natural and fluent you will sound. Start with that listening challenge and don't forget to leave your practice sentence in the comments below. These contractions are for spoken English and very informal writing, like texting a friend. Never ever use whatcha in a business email or an academic essay. For that, you must use the full correct words.